In today's video, I will teach you how to extend or expand images using AI. Let's get started. With AI Ease's AI Image Extender, you can automatically expand your images with natural-looking results, perfect for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or widescreen wallpapers. To do this, start by opening your browser and head over to AI Ease Image Extender. Once you're on the website, you can click the Upload button to choose an image from your computer, or you can also use one of the sample images provided on the website. Supported formats include JPG, JPEG, PNG, PMP, and WebP. And once your image is uploaded, check the left panel to access size options. Here, you can enter a custom size manually. You can also choose from preset aspect ratios like 1:1, 16:9, or 4:3. Or you can pick from popular social media sizes, which is great for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. You can also reposition and resize your original image within the canvas to your liking before generating the final result. And once you've finalized your canvas size and image placement, you can click the Expand button. The AI will automatically generate a natural-looking extension that matches your original image. If you want to expand further, you can choose another aspect ratio to keep going, but note that you can only get one free expansion per image, and upgrading unlocks unlimited expansions. And once the image is generated, you can click the Download button to save it to your computer, and you can now use it in any project or post right away. Whether you're adding a space for text, creating landscape versions, or making your image social media ready, the AI Image Extender by AI Ease makes it fast and effortless. No editing skills needed, just upload, customize, and download. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.